everybody, how you doing? I'm doing okay. Little bit of a different setting, right? I got the keys to my new apartment today, so I'm going to do a little tour. This is different. This is different. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, but it's my new home. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around and I'll give you a little tour. Now, I do not have my tripod. You are set up on top of my stove. So I guess I'll just turn this around and I'll give you a little tour. It's all new to me, so it's going to be new to you. So let me turn this around. Okay, so as you walk in, there are two doors. One is, this is for the front of the building, and this is an entrance if you are entering from the back of the building. So let's just say we came in from this door. I already brought my vacuum over and some brooms and some cleaning things because that's what I'm going to do now. So while I'm here. So this is you walk in, and this is like a little dining area, and I think I told you that it's bigger, this area, than the apartment that I'm leaving now. So I have a ceiling fan there, and this is the kitchen. Looks nothing like the one that I'm leaving, and I'm okay with that. It's nice and bright. It's smaller, smaller by not as much cabinet space, but I have a full refrigerator. Actually, I think this refrigerator is a little bigger. Let me back this up a little bit. This is a little bigger than the refrigerator I have now, but it's a nice refrigerator, much bigger. Not much bigger, but, and there's the refrigerator. Okay, so there's that. There's a little space in between the stove and the refrigerator. I will put like my broom there, I think. I do have a little hall closet that I could put the broom in. But there's the stove, and this stove looks like it's a brand new stove. It's 4:51 in the afternoon. There is the over the range light and fan. There's another fan up there. I already pulled the string and it does work. It's probably just, circulation fan or whatever. But there's the oven, the stove, and the oven. Yes, this is a brand new stove, I can tell. All right, so there are my counters. It's a black, it's like a granite that's got like a speckle in it. And I do have another light that I can turn on. I have to go around and learn where all the light switches are and everything. So it has a nice deep sink, and it comes with this little important information. It has a garbage disposal, which I really don't like garbage disposal. I'm always worried about getting my hand caught in it. And as far as I'm concerned, you're supposed to scrape your garbage into the trash, right? Or your food. So here's the rest of the countertop. There is a dishwasher. I have a dishwasher at my apartment, but it doesn't work. Landlord says it does, but I don't think it does. So anyways, when I was telling you before on one of my videos that the cabinets are white with this strip of wood underneath, that's that. So there's 3 shelves there. And then we have cabinets above, cabinet space, nice big cabinet space there above the sink. And then I wish I had my tripod, because I would put you up on the tripod and show you from distance, but I didn't bring it with me. So there's kind of like corner shelves there, but there's a lot of space. And cabinet there. Cabinets above here. Like at my other apartment, I have cabinets above the range. And I don't have at my other apartment cabinets above the refrigerator, but I do here. So that is the kitchen. That's the kitchen. white, and I think I'm going to be very minimal on my counter space, or what I put on the counter, because it's smaller. So I have a wall here. There's a phone jack, which I'm not going to have a home phone. I do wish there were some electrical outlets there, because I wanted to get some kind of like shelving or something, and I was going to put my microwave there. There is a plug here. They put a little plug-in, scented thing here. We have 2 plugs here. I might put my air fryer on this counter, but I have 2 plugs here. But I'm just not a fan of extension cords, if you know what I mean. So anyways, this is the dining area. It's the dining area, and I think I'm going to bring my kitchen island, the thing that I have the bar stools at. I think I'm going to put it right in this area right here, kind of like what I have at my current apartment. So that is that. It's a nice bigger area, nice flooring. Now this is the living room. This is the living room, and I looked. This is where the cable outlet is. So I'll probably put my TV kitty corner like I did, or like I have it at the other apartment. Got 2 sets of windows, 2 sets of 2 windows. I closed that just for a little privacy. And you can hear a little bit of cars because there is a road there, but it is not a highway. It's not the highway. So this is the living room. This is the living room. And this is the hallway. Hallway here. And this is the door system to get in. Let me see. All right, there's a hallway lamp right there. That's what that switch is for. I don't know what that switch is for. I have to figure it out. Okay, so here we have a hallway closet. Hall closet. Oh, that must be the light switch for that. No, I'm sorry. All right, so there's that light. All right. And yeah, just like my other closet in my living room, this will be for all my coats and stuff. I like these paneled doors. That's something that I do not have at my apartment right now. So let's shut this. I just wanted to say hi. Usually in my videos, I'm like looking at you and talking. So I'm just taking this minute to say hi. All right, let's go look at the rest of the apartment. Okay, so from the hallway, this is the view of the living room. So here, I'm going to get some kind of like long runner to put there. Yeah, so this is the living room. So now we're coming back down to the 2 bedrooms. All right, this is the bigger bedroom, which will be mine. I'm turning lights on. I got to bring some lamps over, but there's one window there, and there's another window there, and this is the closet. Let me pull this shut first. Sorry. Pull this shut, and then I'll open it. Let me show you what it looks like shut. Okay, so there's the closet. I have my closet at my house now. I have the 2 panel doors, but they're metal. So let me turn this light on. I like that the closet has lights. All right, so there, I think this closet is bigger. Yeah, this closet's definitely bigger than my closet. So there's a light in the closet. Okay, and I think Verizon, this is, if you have Verizon, then you can have the Verizon Fios. I am not using Verizon. I'm using Xfinity, which I've had. So the closet is a very good size. So let's see the bedroom from back here. This, I think, is just about the size of my bedroom now. All right, so we'll come out of here, and there's the nice 6-panel door. All right, There's the door to the bedroom. You notice how everything is white? I like everything white. Oh, there's the bathroom I'm going to show you after. And this is the smaller bedroom. This is a smaller bedroom, which will be my son's room, but it's a good size, even though it's smaller. He has a set of windows like he has now, and this is his closet. Turn the light on for his closet, and this is probably the same size of the closet he has at our apartment now. So let me just shut these doors. There's the, okay, it's not the highway, but an ambulance just went by. Anyways, that's what happens, right? So there's that. So this is his room. All right, and there's the hallway. There's the hallway. Now let's look at my bathroom. Much different than where I'm leaving now. I think this is my favorite part of this apartment is the bathroom. Now you can see me here. Hi. So I did a video of things that I bought for my apartment. I did a video of things that I bought for the apartment, and one was a shower curtain. Look at my hair. I've been working all day. So anyways, hold on. Okay, so what I was saying is, I have nothing to put this phone on. I have to get a tripod over here. What I was saying is, I did a video over the weekend, I think Sunday, of things that I bought for the apartment, and I bought a new shower curtain and it had blue, and a rug for the floor in the bathroom, and I was bringing like light blue stuff in, and yeah, this is the bathroom. And I was talking about how the property management, I'm in a different place. So anyways, the property management company put a nice shower curtain up, and yes, they did, and it's there, but I will show you that. I'll show you the rest of the bathroom. So let's finish this tour. Okay, so there's the mirror, and there is the sink, and it's bigger than the one I have now, which is good. The vanity, there's a little more space there, a lot of space underneath. All right, we got nice white tile. I love the mirror. I do not have a medicine cabinet, but that's okay, because in this bathroom I have a closet. And look at the gift that they gave me. There's a toilet plunger. That's cool. And the toilet looks like a new toilet, so I will check that out after. And I told you that the tile on the floor was black and white. Is that black or is it a navy? Doesn't matter. It's cool. And this is towel bar, which I do not have in my apartment now. There's the nice doors, and in this bathroom is a linen closet. Bonus, because I do not have that in my current apartment. So that is exciting. So that makes up for the lack of a medicine cabinet. So here is the shower curtain that I told you about. Let me open this bathroom door. That's the shower curtain I told you about from the property managing. Yeah, there's a little sign. What does it say? All right, look at that. Welcome to your new home. We have put up this brand new shower liner as your move-in gift. So I bought a liner yesterday, actually. So I might use that, I might not. But here is my new bathtub and shower. So there's that, and inside the shower is a nice towel bar. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So I might get one of those space saver things for like shampoo and stuff. But yeah, pretty good. All right, and this shower bar is one of those like concave or curved ones, and they do that for space. So yeah, there's that. So probably, how do you get this out? You lift it up. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get this out because the other curtain has the hooks, the holes for the hooks. Yeah, and here's a little thing saying how to use your toilet. So don't flush those items. So here is the inside of the bathroom. And I got some nice lighting here. Got the fan, actually got two fans. One there, and there's the lights. And here is the heating, the thermostat. I do not have central AC here, but that's okay because that's what they make the window AC units for, right? So there is the bedrooms again. Bathroom, everything is new, everything is nice and white, and yeah, I'm excited. There we go with that. Let's just shut the closet light out again, and shut the closet, shut it, and yeah, go back out into the living room, and I'll go into the kitchen and we can chat a little bit. Okay, so I am back in my kitchen with, like I said, nothing to put my phone on while I record this. So you're back above the stove. So that's just a little tour of this very empty, very clean, new apartment. I am not on the third floor. Someone's texting me. It's my daughter. Looks like she's sending me a picture. Not on the third floor. Not at the highway. Yeah. Onward and upward for new beginnings. What I'm going to do now, and I'm not going to have you tag along for this because, like I said, I don't have my tripod, but it would be cool if I did a clean the new apartment video, but like I said, nothing to prop it up on. But I did bring my vacuum because the carpet is brand new, but there might be some loose fibers and dust or whatever. I don't know how long this place has been vacant, but I'm going to vacuum. I'm going to wipe down the counters. I'm going to clean the mirrors, just dust things off. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to start bringing some things over. Small pieces of furniture, dishes, slowly move in. I might even put some food in the refrigerator so I can have something to eat and drink while I'm here after work. Tomorrow's Friday. Saturday, I'll come over and do a bunch of stuff. Sunday, I need to go to church. But yeah, slowly but surely, I'll be bringing things over and I'll have you tag along with me while I try to decorate a little bit. Yeah, and then I close out my other situation on the weekend of the 23rd and the 24th. So I'm going to get going and clean a little bit, and then I'll go back to my apartment and upload this video. Thanks for tagging along. This is all new to me, and it's going to be new to you. I am happy for this opportunity. I'm happy that I was able to find a place as quick as I needed to. And yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.